This project has kindly sponsored the Flare Community Lucky Claw collection by donating assets to the treasury, generating a monthly prize pool for lucky holders. As with any investment, I highly recommend conducting your own due diligence prior to making any financial decisions. You can find all the relevant links to this project in the description of this video and also a link to the Lucky Claw collection. With that being said, let's jump in. Welcome back, Flare Community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always, and in this video, I want to introduce you to Doodle Bunnies, a new project that has launched on the Flare network. Before we jump into the details, let's have a quick look at the promo video. So this is the Doodle Bunny website, and as you can see straight off the bat, it actually looks pretty good. I'm quite a fan of this design, and yeah, this is the style of the NFTs. This is the Doodle style, and it may be recognizable from other collections, but this is the first Doodle style on the Flare network. These NFTs are very unique. There's nothing like this on the Flare network currently, and this project as a whole, it's very interesting. So about us. Doodle Bunny is the very first NFT project on the Flare network that will incorporate the Doodle style. But it's also going to add NFT breeding, and we're going to get into that in just a second, and NFT staking to earn their native bunny coin. Within the collection, there are 1,000 Doodle Bunnies, that's 500 males and 500 females. And again, this breeding concept is very interesting. Their NFT holders will be able to breed them, and it will take one male and one female Doodle Bunny, and that's going to create a baby bunny. To actually go through this breeding process, you're going to actually need to supply bunny token, which will be burnt and obviously reduce the supply. You're also going to be able to stake for a return in bunny token. And again, I'm very much a fan of this style artwork, and compliments to the developers who created this website. It actually looks pretty good, and the artist as well. So here's a quick show reel of different Doodle Bunnies. They have numerous traits, and yeah, we can see them here. So there are 1,000 Doodle Bunnies, as we mentioned before. That's 500 male and 500 female, with 6 different traits. 13 backgrounds, you've got 5 clothes, hairs, eyes, body color, and mouths. And if we scroll further down, we can have a quick look at the roadmap. Here it is for phase 1. We've obviously passed this right now. The first initial stage was the project planning and social media engagement, and that happened at the end of last year. So they finalized the NFT design and traits. They created a Twitter and Discord server. Of course, the links for these are in the description. And finally, they created the website and tested the smart contracts. If we move over to phase 2 of 5, we can see that this occurred in the first quarter of this year. Again, this has been completed. They've done the NFT marketing on Twitter and Discord, development of the ERC-721 smart contracts and the audit, the minting DApp and front-end development testing, and finally the launch of the first Doodle Bunny NFT collection. The third phase, which we're in now, is the native token and NFT breeding introduction. I'm going to have a quick look at a demo because I believe the NFT breeding is actually closer than you may think. So they're launching their native token, that's Bunny, on the Flare network. There's going to be an airdrop to the Doodle Bunny holders. The Bunny token is going to be listed on various decentralized exchanges and provided with initial liquidity. And finally, the NFT breeding plan and the smart contract development. Over to phase 4, we have the NFT breeding and NFT staking. So this is going to involve designing the baby bunnies, which obviously take one male and one female Doodle Bunny to create, and also some bunny token. They're going to launch the NFT breeding portal. We're going to have a quick peek at that in just a second. You've got the NFT smart contract testing and audit, and finally the launch of the NFT staking. The final phase, that's phase 5, consists of the continuation of support and NFT ecosystem. We're going to continue to support the NFT holders, continue supporting the NFT ecosystem, and also include community voting. Now, if we jump over here to Twitter, you can actually see the Doodle Bunny app here. This is the portal, and in fact, I'm going to blow this up while we just have a quick peek. So basically, you're going to match male and female Doodle Bunnies and create a Doodle Bunny baby, which I think is quite an interesting concept, and I'm very intrigued to see if the traits resemble those of the parents. It looks like they're pretty much live and good to go. Looks like the app is working as expected, so this is something that we're going to see in the very near future, I am sure. Another interesting concept that they have is the fact that 50% of every mint will go to a community pool, and the FLR claimed from the FlareDrop will actually be shared amongst the NFT holders. And again, there is actually going to be a DApp where you can interact with and claim your FlareDrop based on the amount of Doodle Bunnies that you own. Back over to the website now, and if we scroll down, we've already seen this video, but if we scroll down a little bit further, you get some information about the team. And again, you can find them all on Discord. They're very available and interactive. And there are some frequently asked questions right at the bottom here. What is Doodle Bunny? So Doodle Bunny is the Genesis NFT collection on Flare. As we know, consists of 1,000 NFTs in total. That's 500 male and 500 females. If you hold one of each, you're going to be able to breed them to create a baby bunny. Now, here's the important information if you do want to invest in this project. How much does it cost to mint one? The initial whitelist has concluded, I believe, and it currently costs 1,000 FLR, and you can find a link to their minting website in the description. How do you mint Doodle Bunny NFTs? As mentioned, just check the link in the description, and you are capped at a maximum of 5 mint per transaction. Where can you view the NFTs? Of course, you can view them on Sparkles. In addition to that, you'll also be able to see them in the Flare Explorer. Now, here's some things what make the collection unique. What is the Bunny token, and how can you earn Bunny token? Basically, Bunny token is the native token. The utility behind it is the fact that holders will need some Bunny token in order to breed their bunny babies. As mentioned earlier, it's going to be available on decentralized exchanges, but also the Bunny token will be airdropped to the Doodle Bunny holders later on. Finally, we have the idea of NFT breeding. NFT breeding refers to the process of creating new, unique digital assets on a blockchain by combining 2 assets, and that's going to be a male and female Doodle Bunny. When these 2 NFTs are bred together, the resulting NFT is a new, unique digital asset that inherits traits from its parent NFTs. So it's great to get that as confirmation. This essentially means that the baby bunnies is going to be considered as a new generation of NFTs. Again, these NFTs are going to be able to be staked to earn rewards. That's the Bunny token, which can be used to breed the bunnies or sold on a decentralized exchange. So that's pretty much the collection. I actually really like it. I love the style of the artwork. Again, something that we haven't seen on Flare. If you would like to follow them on Twitter, you can find them at doodle_bunnies. And obviously, there is a link to their Discord from the actual page here. Now, as mentioned at the start, the Doodle Bunny is actually a sponsor of the Lucky Claw collection, and they've generously donated 5 Doodle Bunnies to holders of the Lucky Claw collection. The treasury is expanding rapidly, and if you want a chance to win 50,000 FLR every single month in addition to a wide range of digital NFTs, all you have to do is hold a Lucky Claw to be in with a chance of winning. The mint for these has completed, but you can find a link to Sparkles in the description of this video. To conclude, if you are interested in purchasing a Doodle Bunny, you can find the mint website at Doodle Bunny flr.live/mint. And again, it's 1000 FLR each, and that's pretty much it. That's the project. I'm very proud to be a sponsor. We've got 5 to give away. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, I'm out.
Control, we have liftoff.